Okay, so these are two memory modules. These are DDR4 modules, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they are PC4. These are DDR4 modules, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the contacts on the modules, and we'll put them back in, and we're going to see if this solves the problem. And I'm going to also dust out a bit the inside, because it could be that accumulation of dust or whatever is causing this issue. So let me go ahead, clean this up with some isopropyl alcohol and some swabs, whatever, and I'll get back to you guys when everything's put back together and after I dust all this out. For me, I'm going on full tilt now, and I'm very upset about this. This got me so freaking pissed off, man. So I took out the memory modules, and look at the mess now that I made around here. I have my multimeter out, I have the side out, just to go to show how professional this is all wired up. So I take out the memory modules, I clean them on my table, I go to put them back, and the computer's not turning on. Like, now I have it unplugged, but it wasn't turning on. I was pressing it, I was like, why the heck is this thing not turning on? So I'm looking around, I even took out the NVMe drive over here, trying to figure out what went wrong, and I see smoke coming out the top over here, and that's the fan on top over here. Notice over here, take a look at what's going on here. Damn it, my camera can't fit. Look at that nice mix of wires there. There's positive, ground, everything shorted together. How does that look for you, huh? Yeah, I wonder why this thing's not turning on now. I didn't even move this computer, and I just so happened to uncover this mess of whatever you want to call this over here, wires. It's absolutely ridiculous. I'm pulling this out, and then I'm gonna have to keep this disconnected, because this is no way in hell gonna work. I'm gonna disconnect that wire and put everything back together, because I took out the ROM and everything just because the stupid frayed wire that doesn't that's not supposed to be connecting together, and it's connecting together. I'm so pissed off now, man. It got me on full tilt. So anyways, let me disconnect that wire and power this thing on again and see if this is gonna fix. Man, what a shit show this computer is. This is really an absolute mess, this machine. So I basically undid the connection, which is, there you go. This is whoever did this before. Nice, huh? So they basically took this and they patched it in here. So yeah, why, I don't know. But basically what we're going to do now is we are going to, I'm just going to fix this actually for the customer and make him a little surprise, and I'm going to cut him a break. And I'm just going to go ahead and fix it for him, because, sometimes I just feel nice, If I feel like I'm in a bad mood, then you can trust me that this won't happen, but because I'm in a good mood, I'm going to be doing this for the customer. So just I'm looking at this card, and okay, the fan is there. Okay, so let me just show you now with the short removed. So remember, the original problem was the computer was just making a loud beep noise, a long beep noise. It wasn't turning on properly. Have everything hooked up. Hit the power button. There goes the fan, the CPU fan. Let's see what happens. There we go. Fixed. So stupid connections were shorting this out, and computer wasn't turning on. Actually, I even tested the power supply just to make sure that there was nothing wrong. And power supply is okay. So wasn't that, and I had to do some digging, and I found this, so yeah. And as you can see, we have a picture once again. This is working like it should. So I'm going to go ahead, fix this up, clean it up, and when it's done, I'm going to come back and show you what I did. Okay, so give me a couple minutes. Progress update. So here are the cables all bundled up. This is for the fan. This is tied separately. These are for the 4 case fans. This is all neatly bundled up now. And this basically, I have 3 patch wires, red, yellow, and black, that go on top over here, and that go into this other connector, and this is all soldered, and I put electrical tape because it's convenient for my customer, and it's going to work. And it's all plugged in, and we're going to keep cleaning this up, and we're going to put it all back together, and we're going to see how the end result looks like. Okay, so let's keep putting all this back together.